counts because if you don't vote, you are voting for the leading party.
Avoiding change.
I know, automatically if I don't vote, we vote ANC.
Okay. Well, I don't want to confirm to that, but
Yes, it does.
If you don't vote, you vote
Yeah.
leading party.
Yes.
That's
I don't know about that.
Mana, let's make it make sense. Kunabantu abawu-10 la endlini. Okay, let's say there's EFF, MK, then ANC. Okay, abantu abawu-2, let's say nje abantu abawu-4 bethi asivote. But bathanda MK. Should actually 6 manje. ANC ithathe 3. EFF ithathe 2, MK ithathe 1. Get 6 people. Wena uvotanga. But if buvota buyithanda MK, tuthi labantu abawu-4 bethanda MK, bebezovotela MK win.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay, sanibona bafethu, igama lami nguSanele and welcome to i-podcast kaSanele. This is another episode. So today's episode is the business class. Njengamanje ngihleli noMxolisi Shizi. Sicela ukukwamukela sisi kwi-podcast yethu. Unjani waphila?
Ngiyaphila kanjani?
Right. Okay. Cela sichazele ukuthi ubani, uzalelwe phi, upbringing yakho mhlawumbe until university makuthi uyile until lunch.
Okay. Nomxolisi Shizi, I was born and raised in Pretoria, and then I attended school in Pretoria.
Xa usondeza kancane nje mic. Okay, perfect.
Yes, so I attended school khona eMpumalanga, then went to college, and then I've been trying to find jobs, work with Mr. Price Home, and then Mr. Price Apparel. Yes, and then thought of making a business. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm trying.
Yeah, manaki. Empumalanga ke neMpumalanga because I know when you go to Pongola, listen mhlawumbe siphuma ngapha ngePiet Retief. Khona izikole zaseMpumalanga la udlula ibhodi lithi welcome to Mpumalanga kodwa lila iKZN. Yiphi le Mpumalanga ukhuluma ngayo?
It's not in KZN. It's what demarcation board that separate KZN from.
Yes, but lezo kole lezo zaseMpumalanga kodwa zila.
I don't know how it works, but from my knowledge, ngazukuthi that board is a separation of a KZN and Mpumalanga.
Yes, but
Mawufika kule board, it's actually it's actually the beginning of Mpumalanga. And when you're coming from that side, it's actually the beginning of KZN. So it's actually how umasipala demarcates ukuthi okay, le KZN le. But mina I went to the best school of which was Ndlela Secondary School.
not leze like KZN kodwa ziseMpumalanga because the problem is lesa skole uthi welcome to Mpumalanga province then nasi isikole but masosithola ku district ese KZN sinaso ku district ese KZN.
Angazi ngalokho but mina I'm in Pretoria vele sengiseMpumalanga phakathi. Yes. Ngafunda eNdlela Secondary School.
Endlela secondary school.
Best school.
Okay mana. Empumalanga nikhuluma amalanguage amangakhi lapha?
We don't have a specific language, but mostly we sound like AmaSwati.
Oh, AmaSwati because in Xhosa nalapha Eswatini.
Yes.
Yes. I used to have a friend wayomshangana from Mpumalanga. Khuluma like 6-7 languages like abantu seMpumalanga nje bahlaniphile.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Well,
also they are business minded.
yeah. Then from Indlela, is it a primary or it's a secondary high school?
Secondary, I ngifunde kuqala my primary. It was Iqhubelane. Then secondary, is it secondary years? Ndawonye, then Ndlela.
Indlela.
My high school, then Tashine from my college.
Oh, where's the Lemtashane?
Yes,
The
that's
best
why
of
I'm
the
excited
best.
now.
Okay.
Product.
Yes, Tashine product.
Okay. So ufike nini left right?
Yeah, I don't know, but I think about 3 years back.
Trace back.
Yes.
Kanti ufunde nini? Ngiqale nini ukufunda eMtashane?
Yeah, I don't remember, but I think in 2019.
Oh, okay. Okay, so kwakunjani ukuhlala nje KZN? I assume the first time ufika
It was scary
scary.
because ngazi ukuthi amaZulu they are hard-headed.
Yes.
Abafundi they don't want to learn new things.
Yes. Banamakhanda usiqinile nje sikhuluma isiZulu, Zulu.
That
Yes.
ukuza la ngizodila namaZulu. It was okay, but
Yeah.
ngajwayela and be comfortable.
Okay. So manje manaka iperception yamaZulu usesempumalanga isafana neperception yamaZulu sohlala la kaZulu.
Yes, iyafana kakhulu now that I sengiprovile ukuthi lezi zinto bengizazi ngingakanazi. Manje sengiyanazi so
Siyasazi.
personal level.
So thina sifundise kuthini?
Lento eprova le yanto benginayo ngani.
Hayi kulungile.
Yes.
Okay, so then ibusiness yakho upusha iphi business njengamanje?
Water supply.
Okay, kusebenza kanjani lapha? Cela usichazele because ama South Africa sinawo so wenze njani?
Now the difference is I deal with events, whatever event you have, Mwabo, members, or any event,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna create a sticker for that specific event, depending on which way usukufuna kubhale uthini kulawo months, even for political parties.
Yeah.
Yes.
So manje amalokhunya angana namanzi? U5 liter, u20
No.
liter, ama-waterkan?
Something like this.
Okay.
I actually buy empty bottle and then refill with ounces, of course. Yes.
Then bese uyafaka i-branding.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So nesikhathi singanani wenza le business?
It's been a month.
Been a month?
Please.
Okay, how is it so far?
It's good.
Oh yeah?
It's good.
Okay.
I figured yazi mosaqala calculations
Kushasha. Kuleyo ufuna ukukhuluma?
Yeah, ngifuna ukubuza sinama baby shower amanzi ayaletha bona.
for every event.
Phela thiwa i-rate yokumithisa ney'ngane is very high. So leyo field leyo nje ukusebenzisa amanzi akwenza imali.
Yes, a lot. Yabo. So, Jay, for every event, ngicela abafowethu they must keep on doing the great job.
Angithi yonke sonele
Ngiyezwa.
uyasupport ibhizinisi.
Yes.
The more
Yes.
you supporting omunye umuntu.
Oyabo. Not waste.
Okay, so in your early life experiences yini eyashaper ilokhunja ucabanga kwakho ukuze ube kule career ukuyona njengamanje?
I can say it's level of unemployment.
Yeah.
South Africa and job opportunities, because if we're still going to rely on our government ukuthi asinike imisebenzi, it's going to be waste. So other than ukuhlala and not expecting any income, it's of no good. So it's better to while you're waiting for the job opportunity, you do something for a source of income.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I know. So usuke waya eSwazini? Ngaphela seduze eMpumalanga.
Yeah.
Unjani eSwazini?
It's nice.
To go to Swaziland.
It's nice. I've been there for bush camp.
Zikhona ingane lapha?
Mahla
usho nje
very beautiful pictures.
yeah
Very quiet.
Compared to Zulu hands and Swati hands,
Mahla Maswati.
kodwa kuthiwa bethi ama-Swati hands mekhuluma i-language yabo nama-Swati.
Yes,
So-
no.
Tanza.
Ngiyakuthanda.
ayisamele simvethu swazini
Imboza. Yes.
samele siye swazini
Manje siyizishwi.
siyoshutha nje futhi
Kuthiwa yabona umjito, ikhona umjito lo becula kahle amazi usishwi.
hani ngiyangithanda
I started to love Swati because of
hey that song was massive bro
Yeah, Swadis are calm. They are
Cool and collected. yeah
Yeah, that is why usually they say ukuthi hayi abantu abafazi bamaswati they don't like talking.
kodwa bathanda amaZulu man for some reason.
I doubt.
It's
Because-
it's vice versa.
because of her leadership qualities
Yes.
Dominant and non-dominant. Kuyabhala kancane.
But I think futhi it differs umuntu ukuthi uyena umuntu uthanda umuntu okanjani because isingabantu sithanda abantu abahlukile. Yes.
yes so ikhona isikhathi moment la washo khona ukuthi okay this moment is a turning point in my life
Turning point in what way?
like njengamanje sengishintsha indlela yokwenza
Yeah, definitely. Because ngathi now before, okay, I had parents, but I was very, very close to my grandmother.
oh okay
Very close. So while she was alive, I was so comfortable with life. I don't want to lie. There was nothing like you can do more in life. Because nje ilanga bona khona ukuthi your comfort zone.
Comfort zone.
awukwazi ukwenza lutho. So by her passing away, yabo, it changed how I think. It changed ukuthi kahle kahle I had to learn how to be independent.
Independent,
I had to make
uyimele.
life, it's a foster. But ngecaterpillar, bengingekho into ethi now. Yeah, because I knew it was okay. Kambe ugogo ukhona, but now by fire by force.
so sunesikhathi singanani goga kushiya
2 years.
2 years still new eh
Yeah.
okay so like usuku lakho nje lihamba kanjani wenzani or yini izinto othanda ama passion hobbies on your day nje
I love garden.
oh yeah
Yes, I planted currently garlic.
okay
Is garlic. I planted one tree of chili. And then at home, I plant a huge space of cabbage, whatever. I love planting. I love farming.
Ngicela ngiplanthela ama-herbs. Lawa ama-herbs la ahamba ne-percent.
hayi angazike la ayizihamba nepesenti
Ama-herbs ahlukile. Ngiyakwazi ukuplanta,
I can plant anything, depending. First thing, if you need to plant, first you need to check the plant. Second, you need to check the soil. Thirdly, before you plant, you know, okay, what am I planting? In what soil? Is it depending on the soil? Because umhlabathi uyahluka for a specific type.
Yes,
You
yes,
cannot
yes.
plant acidic emhlabeni neutral. So you need to check that. And by me loving that, I know even how to do that, like ngezinto zasendlini, to test umhlabathi for myself before I even start planting. That's how I love planting. I do like fertilizer for myself. I do kuningi.
ya ne nanomsebenzi
Yes, yes, kuningi nje. Kuyaphileka.
kusamele ngiye empumalanga
Mpumalanga.
Yeah.
Andazi ngihlale la eMpumalanga isikhathi. It's a very fun.
uhlala nobani empumalanga kuyashisa
Kakhulu.
Yeah.
angeke
Yeah, she's.
angizani nokushisa mina
Ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma Swati. Ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma Swati.
usikhulume sisu
Awukhulumi.
Angidonda.
Yeah. Make sure.
so growing up in Mpumalanga so buna ama role models abantu obukela kubona hamba kanjani lapho bekhona ama mentor ayikho umuntu obubukela kuyena hawu mina ngeze kuthiwa ububukela kulondi London nje
I believed in myself. Mina,
uyamazi yena ulondi
no, who's London?
amalondi London
I only know brand name like London. But I've never heard.
ilona celebrity langakini nje lidumile
Elangakithi engilaziyo, like the closest, uPretty and the opera singer.
I don't know
Yeah.
umuntu engimaziyo empumalanga nothi engimaziyo
KO as well.
KO yes
Yes, like
that is the
they-
real celebrity
Near neighborhood.
Oh, yeah.
Same kasi.
Piet Retief.
Yes, Piet Retief. Okay.
oh yeah
Hayi, zange nje abikile umuntu. Hayi,
azange abe role model
mina I believe in myself.
oh yeah so njengamanje kukhonani kwi-bucket list yakho nje for this year ufuna ukwenzani nje
Yo, I want to achieve. I want to achieve. I want to make money.
ngathi uyithanda nje imali
Ngiyayithanda. It's the way to live at least. And then nanokuthi-ke nje, I just want to do izinto ezongidistracta umqondo wami and nje ngibe viral, ngifunde izinto ezintsha, ngihlangane nabantu abasha, and just live.
okay then ilegacy yakho mangicabanga nje ukuthi yini nje ufuna ukuyishiya kwilegacy yakho like njengathi nje ilegacy yethu ukuthi sisize abantu abanamabhizinisi siba-plug on because i-platform yethu is growing up, it's growing every day. So
Also, again, I think ngingasho ukuthi it's something like that because ngimuntu onozwelo kakhulu. I like helping people. I think nami nje.
you want to assist.
And also, yabo ukuthi uma ungenamali kodwa unayo into ukuthi like you have an idea of something like this. Yabo.
Yeah.
Because like my idea was in like after school program endaweni like even nabomondlo yabo. Because yabo imondlo njani bayaphuza thothi umntwana uyabuya ne-homework, there's no one to help.
Yeah.
Something like a center that will help student or mhlambe badle bafunde and get ama-tutor like azoba-tutorisha ubhalise uyazivela ekhaya because like I mean emondlo it's alcohol level
Phezulu kakhulu.
umama ugogo yabo so nje uyabona ukuthi mhlambe lokho even can shape i-future yey'ngane nanokuthi going to ama-public school kungenzeki because nami ngifunda khona kungenzeki ngarealize ukuthi uthisha umuva neyimuvayo osalayo uyasala other than ama-private school ukuthi uthisha has to pay attention
okay.
umntwana so that nako it's part of yabo yelegacy yami ukuthi it's my wish because yabo siba u-8 eklasini understand owakho
So understand kahle ngonyaka uzayo wesho njalo uthisha wami athi hayi
yeah
like yawame kubonulele sezulele kanje ethi walala uJoe umfana wami uzophapha seka grade 10 lapho sika grade 9 ethi uzophapha grade 10 phumile bakalapho phumile kwethu kwakuthi usithole futhi loyo uthi usithole ethi walala umfana wami uzophapha grade 10
because abanye ba-end up abasiduba isikolo umuntu sagcina bayimphara manje because amezwa abo aka-understand vele so nonyaka yami
yeah so ngikubuza ukuthatha isikhathi singanani ukuthi uzuyiqala le business yakho okuyona
isikhathi eside
kaze sithi bufuna nje ukuthi uyenze
yeah
yeah
but yazi-ke money
yeah
because ungaba nawo umcabango
yeah ungaba ne-idea
kodwa is not right
Roughly i-capital if you're to advise or inform abantu who are also trying to start i-business lakho ukuthi roughly capitally what resource should they have qala kanjani
like ungaqala 1,000. From 1,000, it's like that. I would see imali mifika.
Yihle. Okay mana. So uyazi ukuthi wathola lapha amanzi angithi.
Yes.
Okay, so uyazi uthenga phi igubhu. Then what else do you need? No, to musubhukiwe. What else do you need ukuthi provide the service le
Car.
imoto? Okay.
Because it's make it hard because total motor say dumbi.
Mm.
Athi udinga amanzi.
Yeah.
Hard to stress.
Okay, uqashe iveni noma
Ngiyaqhubula. Cele mhlambe if someone I know ngiyangakho.
okay. Oh, kahle kahle nje imoto ibalekile kakhulu. Okay. So uthe uqala inkinga nje kwakuyimali, not ukuthi khona ama barriers. Not ukuthi khona ama barriers mhlawumbe.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. This is a podcast, I kick in.
Yeah. Okay.
So in there our entry barriers, just that ukuthi nje you have to have money then pursue.
Yeah.
Okay. Then so i-challenge yakho shuthi imali.
Yes.
Okay, so empilweni yakho yini into ongasho ukuthi kuyaku-challenge? Or like you feel challenged then but wakwazi ukuthi uyi-overcome
Having a child.
having a child. Kunzima ukuba nengane?
Yeah.
Kanjani ngoba mina ngina-6 nje.
Straining your physical strength, your mind, your brain.
Ngadlala nginezingane zo-6.
Ufuna wena umqondo wakho. And for the mere fact, njengoba ngisho ukuthi I lost my grandma. Because vele I would know ukuthi okay, I have a helper. Fine, naye usiza wami, bekakhona yabo during my pregnancy. But for the mere fact ukuthi ngasuka eMpumalanga and then came here because maybe impilo iqhubeke. So now umntwana sewami full time. Whether ngifuna ukuya esitolo, whether ngifuna ukuyinwaya, ngiyakhala, kumele ngikwenze kokubili. Kwangikhathaza kakhulu in such a way ukuthi I attended therapy because it was very helpful.
It was your first child?
No,
Okay, but lo khathaza kakhulu.
for the first time, I'm not a
Oh, 'cause wakusekhona ugogo.
Experience of being a mother.
Oh, okay.
Man, do you believe in the theory ukuthi it's advisable to have ingane usasemncane than when you're old?
Yes, I believe in that theory. So that when umntwana aqala, for an example, for an adolescent stage, something that you're not far away from, and it's better away, ukhula in that manner. So you know how to deal with umntwana. Because I don't think indlela abazali bethu bebadila ngayo, nathi kumele sidile ngayo ney'ngane zethu. One, mama, you should be open to umntanakho. Akwazi ukukutshela everything, be a friend, but at the very same time, azi ukuthi uma wakhe. Have principle nengane yakho. Ube nje umama very disciplined. Nje ingane yazi ukuthi okay, this is where I stop, this is where I start.
Bathi ama-principles akho nje
My first principle nje was umntana amazi uNkulunkulu as a source of life.
It's dope.
As a source of life. Njengoba nami ngikholise kanjani ukuthi it's God and only God. So yiyo nje for the lights and just do this, pray. Yabo? Because vele ngingasho ukuthi ngingamgada umntana, but with my power I can't. Vele it's the help of God. So that's principle number one. And ngicabanga ukuthi it's the umbrella of everything. So
So yini ekusurprisile in your role nje ever since uqalile uku-operate?
in business.
Yeah, in business.
Dealing with people
Uh,
difficult.
difficult.
Because mhlawumbe uzomtshela ukuthi umuntu okay order amanzi akho 2 days before so that nami ngizoba nesikhathi sokuprinta sokuba mhlawumbe akutshele that morning ukuthi
Anginawo.
ngicela amanzi and this and this. So ngifunde ukuthi as business you have to deal with different type of people. Khona abanamakhanda aqinile, khona abanice, khona abarude, khona ababathi nje yours ukuthi wazi ukuthi you always calm.
And you have to deal with them.
In a different variety of people.
Okay, bafethu enye into that you wanna say ukuthi sibonge nje ku Red Bull ngokusponsorisha la Red Bull in Durban. Siyabonga kakhulu. I think this is the beginning izinto ezinhle. Danke siyabonga. Angeza? Oh, okay. So into engayisho nje ukuthi #RedBull yeah siyabonga kakhulu. Yeah, sorry ukuphazamisa ngicela siqhubeke.
Okay.
Dealing with different personalities kwi business yakho. I think business yakho isebenza ngesikhathi because we have to get water on time. Because most uthatha amanzi amaningi awasanambitheki kahle.
They must be always fresh.
So man, just asking. Akwenze ukuthi mhlawumbe you've got old bottles and then ukhamanzi empompini and then
Yabo.
Okay.
Angikho loyal.
Okay.
Partnership and this way I can't even focus it
Okay.
to ruining the partnership.
Yes, you'll be running the partnership with lo muntu osuke univumelene naye.
Ne-reputation ye-business
So you should
lakho.
always stick. If uyabona ukuthi you can't make it to le nto umuntu asoyafuna kuleso sikhathi, uyabona isikhathi actually rather be honest than running things.
Or if you wanna cut costs, at least vele unyuse price.
Yes.
Ngcono. Nokuthi you try to do ama-shortcuts.
It's acceptable. Other than ukuthi umnike umuntu into angeke asayijabulela and just ruin business yakho for life.
Okay. Manje njengoba ngosanele ngifuna ukungena kwibusiness yakho. Yini what is the first thing nje ongangitshela yona ngayo business?
There's nothing much. It's just supplying water. And nje futhi ke if I need a partner, I need someone who is honest, who communicates. Yabo mina nje noma ngabe kuthiwa into ofuna ukungitshela yona, noma kuthiwa ngithi maybe sanele ngicela 500. Ngiyathanda ukuthi ungitshela kahle ukuthi yazi
Anginothi
uzobona.
uzobona.
Uzothi eshimuthu. Wathi usengiqala ngiyafonela sengiba ngesitefe of which it's something that you said ukuthi hayi.
Ngo-2.
Ukuthi sibe
No, personally, if you are to ask, if you are given a platform now to pitch your business within 30 seconds or a minute, Sanel is a billionaire man, she's ready to invest. What returns can you provide to him and what growth will your business or value can you give Usanel as an investor man you have to pitch it?
Ngizofaka imali yami manje.
He's ready to give you 1,000 rand, no, 1,000 million rand. Okay, million, actually have I said maybe 2,000 income. But let's say he's ready to give maybe 500,000, 500. He's ready for your pitch as an entrepreneur, as a business type. What value, interest rate, and what will he benefit from?
Yeah, just an elevator pitch. Okay. So what you will
so difficult.
no, it's not that difficult. What you will touch. My name is. Then what I do. Then I need imali engaka so that I can be able to deliver on the scale. Manje ngenza abantu abawu4 maybe in a month. So in order for me to make 10,
Yeah.
I need this amount kanjalo kanjalo. And how you will be able to repay.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, guys, as in. Okay, ngasho okay, yeah, my name is Nambalisi. I'm a water supplier. I supply water. But due to lack of money, nokuthi ngikwazi ukugcina ngifike la ngifike khona. For example, I tried making partnership with Afba. So now the thing is mhlambe una 4 funerals ngosuku olulodwa mhlambe per funeral kudingeka 100 water. So
Okay.
now that's a bit too much for me, uyabona, because their deal is like service on delivery, ngithola imali mase delivery, of which that's going to be on my pocket first before I get
Okay.
them. Like bangafondela manje bathi kusasa. So I
Okay.
should make sure.
You stay like.
So
Okay.
I should always have money.
Yazi manje sengiyibona ngenye indlela. Kahle kahle this business is sharp. Excuse. This business idea is sharp. Yabona if you will go to the old mutual ways, funeral parlors, amathole, and you name them, like you can make a lot of money.
I tried with the Matole, which they said they'll contact me. They said they do have supply wabo, but ukhona umuntu oyafike afune something like that, the branding. So they take the card with but should
Oh, they
try
need.
like that.
This is proper, yo. This is proper. You should go for it. Yes, you should go for it. Like baningi futhi abanye abasafufusa, like ama funeral parlor that you can go to. Even mangacebisa mhlawumbe even you can go to labantu abenza amakhekhe and like ubone ukuthi i-database yabihamba kanjani xoxa. Yes. Nale ndawo lezi ezihostayo. Yes, ama baby showers, nama wedding.
Because also I'm still waiting for an appointment with the town mayor.
Oh.
For Kamaspala because they have meetings back and forth. So into ya manzabo to be branded like if we office le mayor and mayoral executives don't
Showcase.
if community service, it's supposed to be that. So yeah.
Okay.
People face.
Ibaluleke kangakanani networking kwi-business yakho?
Networking is in like knowing people.
Yeah, like to have a database of people like
It's very important. Because I can't lie, in this South Africa, it says it's a matter of food, you know.
Yes.
Because unapika any business lakho. So
Like-
if awuna
not connected.
no matter how much business lakho
Yes.
it's making sense.
But because umuntu abangamazi.
yes, now ngeke bakwazi ukuvalelwana umuntu abamaziyo for you. Of which I advise abantu abasey'khundleni to give nabanye abantu an opportunity.
Yes.
And see, because bangabi greedy. You can be a director or chief director ucabanga umngani wakho uzo-supervisor. I don't have anything. Yabo, I only have water. So give others opportunities.
A chance.
Angeke ukuthi ngithathe nje u-2,000 wamanzi. Yabo. Let's share as Kulisaneng. That's
So ma ukhona kui but the SSD, SD, BSD, CSD is database.
yeah.
We have to go for it.
Like PIPC,
CIPC.
CIPC.
No, yes.
Bengisaza ngibeka lokho lapha community service.
You can even do it online.
Oh, you can do it online, less than 20 minutes.
20 minutes is way too long. 50.
He will assist you. This is abantu abaningi. Then maybe ama future predictions business lakho ulibona liya kephi industry lokuyona.
To have indawo yami and take orders, relevant orders, nje supply. But mostly also, I wanna dwell with farming, yabo. Yeah, cause ngiyakuthanda.
Ushilo ukuthi unengadi.
Yeah, I've been trying to. Wayona lingadi izokwenza imali, cause I'm. Cause
Manje
I want
mana
supply side.
ngabe kutshontshele neMondlo because Mondlo Oh, oh. unetende eziwu2 kahle kahle.
No, akusikho khona.
Ngisho ukuthi unende eziwu2.
Akusikho kwami, instead uvumile, but I spoke with one of uyabona was like KZN kuney'nduna zey'godi and whatever.
Yeah.
So they promised to give me about an hectare.
Okay.
Yes, but
I know a guy. Masuqalile, I know a guy who is into farming.
And agriculture.
Yeah, agriculture.
Agriculture.
Siyadayisa nje amakhabishi, all those things. So, but unamahloni okuza la podcast but ke. Masuqalile tell me then because
Ngiqalile, kuyimanje I have my garlic ihleli laphana. I don't have a space.
where is the pictures one?
Different agricultural department and stuff.
Yeah, awukesibona.
Land reform.
Yeah, bese khona nje izolo.
Insukwini nje we-would
Izolo ngithi.
phambi kwayizolo.
No, izolo.
Wednesday.
Izolo it was a long day, bro. Yeah, it's got agriculture zone.
Agriculture.
Yes.
Because I just
So-
realized spray is for plants.
Mm-hmm.
And it's all about pitching you know.
No, but I mean, I think
Have your story
Because
straight.
because in planting I'm also like I know planting like at the back of my agriculture.
Oh, for the agriculture inside.
No,
Oh,
that's just my knowledge.
oh,
like into ethandayo ngisho.
your skill and
Yes, I've learned a lot. Yeah,
what's a carrot doesn't grow with gravel.
yeah. Yeah, konke lokho nokwenza ama-compost for myself. Ngama-eggshells. I-eggshell can be a compost.
Manake. So eMpumalanga zikho yini induna?
Zikhona, but iMpumalanga kurafu kakhulu.
Urafu kakhona.
Wait, rough kanjani? Yeah.
To find
Iyo.
a space nanokuthi kuyalawanake.
Ha, obana banodlame kanti manje.
Lwana for these things yamafana.
In Mpumalanga?
Oh.
I thought it was mining in Mpumalanga.
And also agriculture.
Oh, no.
So
When I was top of the balance.
yeah.
Okay. Then njengamanje ngicela sihambe kuma social media streets. Then we'll take 5 trending topics. Then guests will comment on them.
On your social media.
Yeah, no social media like X.
Okay.
Yeah, then sibona ukuthi uvest kangakanani. What number 1 is Orlando Pirates. You know as in Orlando Pirates.
I know nothing about Orlando Pirates.
You know nothing about Orlando Pirates.
I know
Hayibo.
something about Kaizer Chiefs. Ukuthi
Yeah, bet. Who pay for it?
ngibone maybe Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
Ngibone i-post shuthi umuntu basegroundini aphendule ifoni athi hayi singakhuluma baby ngidlala ne-Chiefs so no worry.
Yo, is that bad? Yeah. Yeah, manje Pirates idlala ne-Cape Town City kwi-PSL and the score 0-0. It's 58 minutes. So Orlando Pirates are number 3 with South African Premier League. So yeah, iyona into enza ukuthi Pirates
Trending now.
i-Orlando Pirates then ke seku-number 2 uJacob Zuma utrendayo. What do you know about Jacob Zuma? Uyamazi?
I know ukuthi umuntu abantu abantu.
Yes.
I'm one of them.
Generally or maybe KZN?
Generally.
General.
Yes, because bekase
Bombela.
I was home bekakhona bekangekho lento ukuthi sokunama-bodyguard manje sekune
Yeah, yes.
he's part of people he doesn't mind ukuthi bazombamba he has the thing ukuthi naye umuntu and like he should engage. Now that's what we like. Because
Yeah.
kuyanyanyisa ukuthi uzofika upresident nama-bodyguard nebhama.
Inhlokohlelo.
Exactly. So senza sibe uncomfortable as much as we know phela you should be protected.
Ubalulekile.
But at the end of the day, uze kithi uzoserva thina and we should should like listen ukuthi
Interact.
sithini interact because mangathiwa nje angikhulumile nalo maphosa you know what does it mean to me ukuthi hey bona upresident wami that's what Zuma is doing hayi ukuthi ukhona mhlambe into enkulu ayenzayo uya-interacta nabantu uyabalalela he listens because that's important you can't always be there mawuphethe abantu you have to be among
In the ground.
yes because at the end of the day awuphathanga nabantu abade because ube there it was us
Those are abantu abadala.
yes so you need to come down ube so nje I think yinto mina engenza ngithanda uZuma and nabanye but that's my
So
thing
it's this leadership and just
indlela
Welcoming
yes
message,
because
just-
you would see ama-cases uZuma had while he was still a president
Since 2003.
kwasho umuzi kugula umuntu uzombona uma bethiwa kuleyo muzi kuhlala esigubhini uzodlisa isigubhu ahlale phansi and listen ukuthi what is the issue you can always send people ukuthi bakwazi ukusolvela inkinga zakho njengomongameli but you need to be there ubonise ukuthi uyazwelana nawe umuntu so nje
So are you the type where ever Zuma goes, you go?
definitely
So it also depends on party wise. Wherever he goes, you go.
I'm not because it's too bad ukuthi it's embarrassing nokuthi angikaze ngivote.
Oh.
Yeah, because yabona nje into ethi I don't see the reason. I'm not I don't have into ethi I'm convinced to vote. Ngibuka the level of unemployment ukuthi cha inyukile and kuyimanje how many graduates do we have? Aphumile khona ephumile. Nje amanye phewamanye and like there's no progress engibona yenzakala so ayikho into engikhulu ngenzayo at the end of the day uzothola kuthiwa for entertainment umasipala ukhiphe 100,000 just for fun
But don't you believe that your vote counts for something?
no really
It does count because if you don't vote, you are voting for the leading party.
Avoiding change.
I know
No.
ukuthi automatically if I don't vote ngivotele ANC
But well, I don't want to confirm to that. But
Yes, it
Yes.
does.
if you don't vote you vote
Yeah.
leading party.
Yes.
That's
I don't know about that.
Mana, let's make it make sense. Kunabantu abawu-10 endlini.
Okay.
Okay, let's say there's EFF, MK, then ANC. Okay, abantu abawu-2, let's say nje abantu abawu-4 bethi asivote. But bathanda i-MK. Should kusele 6 manje. ANC ithathe 3. EFF ithathe 2, MK ithathe 1. That's 6 people. Wena uvotanga. But if buvota buyithanda i-MK, tothi labantu abawu-4 beyithanda MK, bebezovotela MK win. So because you voided i-vote lakho, kusho ukuthi uvotele yes, automatically uvotele
Goes to
i-ANC
the party that's ruling at that time. automatically.
yes.
umuntu ongavoti
Eh,
that's why
So you
ANC
vote for-
will always win
yes, because abantu abavoti.
that's annoying
Do you see that you just highlighted the problem?
automatically
You
our
just-
votes are going to the ruling party
Yes.
Just highlighted the problem. So the fact that now you know what's the cause of the problem, why don't you become the solution of the problem and vote?
Yes, because kubalulekile ukuvota.
Yes.
well this time
Oh, hayi siyabonga. Khona into ebengifuna ukuyibuza mayelana neMpumalanga. But ke sengibalekelile ngoba bebesafundisa la uJobe mayelana nokuvota. But asembe okay asiqhubeke ngoba bengithi ngizobuza ukuthi because uZuma utrendiswa iMK, do you think MK inayo chance nyana ubona kanjani?
if things were to be fair and square MK has it
What do you mean fair and square? How so?
because I mean ever since uZuma ngenile it's been back and forth courts
Yeah, ne?
bekuyi-ballots SEC ballots sekuyi-local
Trademark.
yebo
Intellectual property.
Oh,
Yes, if things were fair, because this is my
Yes. Your perspective, yes.
my perspective.
Yes.
If by the look of things now, they are being shaped by him, so they are trying to make things that will distract. Canvassing yakhe ukuthi angasafocus kuyo but afocus kule zinto abantu because I mean umkhonto wesizwe, that's my saying. Angiboni nje uhlangana ne-ANC anyway, so
yeah.
They disbanded the
But
MKNC.
did you know that the logo of ANC was technically designed and it's under
umkhonto wesizwe.
correct me if I'm wrong.
Mm-hmm.
There's this article I read about the design of the ANC branding logo actually was designed, or it is under Mr. President Jacob Zuma.
Malal,
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that, but maybe I will.
This article I read, but I stand to be corrected.
Yeah, but
So it was actually it's under him from the,
Yeah.
you know.
but imagine now these are two different things.
Mm.
Ukuthi kwakwenzakalani ukuthi uke waba yi-part or never been, but umkhonto wesizwe naye wenza into yakhe. Nabo they should just focus on conversing ukuthi bawine and do right. Naye enze the same. Sorry.
Sorry.
It's nice. When you win.
Now, man.
But for this time,
Mm-hmm.
I'm voting for him.
Okay, yazi khona enye into ebengicabanga, like when it's campaign season, like ama political parties, they do bahamba bayo campaign. So mina into engiyibuza yona, ngiyibuzela nje in my personal perspective, buza ukuthi why i-leading party campaign, because umsebenzi wayo siyawazi, why inga-campaign labantu laba abasingakazi sibabone ucampaignelani because you are in power, we know you.
That's part of constitution. You have to contest whether or not ukhona siyakwazi, but nje kuwumthetho wase South Africa, it's under South African law that now they should all contest. Basikhohlise kabusha.
Oh, ukuthi manje sesiza ngakanje.
Yes, manje
I understand.
asezanga ngalesa story. But siyawabona amaphuthethu manje. They're also
Okay.
given a chance ukuthi nabo bazikhulumele ukuthi hayi.
Baphinde beshele kabusha.
Yes.
You know how I see it, Saleh? I see it as just a marketing trade. Eventually, as much as a business is doing very well, you still need to market and find new ventures to, to market your business.
I do
So
understand.
As much as ANC is in power and they're doing well, you cannot sit and relax, you know? You find under,
That's true.
you
Because
know, other ways to market.
the last time I was doing DA, manje now that I've listened to what they're saying. Yeah, so for an example.
Vote, eh?
No, vote. Mina ngivoti.
Ushilo nje ukuthi akavoti.
Shilo mina ngathi ngivoti. Mina ngivoti because ayingichanise ngakakhulu. Isengekho iphathe ngishele kahle.
Ah, sorry, my dad.
Ngezwa kuthiwa ayi kuyaye kuthiwa konje kuthiwa isiZulu sithiwa likhishwe esokeni. Sengakezwa ephathi nje cha ngiyezwa ke.
Then omunye umuntu otrendayo it's Young Stunner. What do you know about Young Stunner? Yamas.
Ucula kamnandi. I like his music. Nama-verse akhe when he sings. To me nje uhlezi amdukela izinto that makes sense.
Yeah. Ladies man, eh? Ngathi uthenge umuzi, which is a good thing. Waphinde wabonga uMaphorisa.
For giving me a chance.
Yes. Nama awards winile collaboration bekoma Metro FM Awards. Bese Mpumalanga ama Metro. Yes, uyangistan imthandazo.
Oh, that was my guy.
best collaboration.
My guy Sex as well. The MMAs.
Metro FM awards is.
I love Youngstar nje. Umculo wakhe mfowethu
It's been a while hearing from him from music though.
Uyakibam featurish.
I mean, it's been a while. Well, it's what time the festivals on my side.
Awu bebetrenda nje imthandazo nje ngoDecember nje. Imthandazo ivesa shala phana.
About Youngstar. Oh,
Yes, Youngstar.
something about Youngstar CPT.
Oh. No, Youngstar.
Youngstar.
Then abanye abantu abatrendayo it's Drake and Kendrick. Do you know Drake?
Drake, yeah.
We love him.
What is that?
When you emotionally do.
Then
I only love God's will.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then Kendrick Batisano Kendrick.
Lamar.
Yes.
It's been a-
He released Drake this track is all it's Europe.
Guys, the way umnandi ngakhona eSouth Africa, I can't even concentrate.
Kumnandi South Africa.
The way umnandi ngakhona, I can't. Naba nabo, who's this guy? Ucula uMaskandi,
Umthandeni ugatsheni siyeza lapho khule. Omunye umuntu otrendayo ukhona itumele ngikhona.
I used to love Gumi.
What is the trend?
Umini Dlamini bekune roast yakhe but umini Dlamini waqala invite. You remember waqala wamdisa on a national TV. Yes. Then she got a backlash for doing that. Yes. Then okwesibili there is a roast of Umini Dlamini. So our celebrities they come to roast her. She invited Ukhone to come to be yes. Then wanqaba Ukhone. Then kwi roast ke bese yenzeka ke roast. Sephi ukukhuluma ngaye ke manje ke. So umini ubhizi ukukhuluma no. Yes nje. She always talks about Khone. I don't know why because Khone is married.
It's like your ex was solved.
Yeah.
Cool is the ex was solved.
Why vele because
Why I'm entertaining
Eh.
it's moved on.
Literally.
and this is a married man. I don't understand.
But and also what I would say would say even shooting nayo ukhona uyam entertain because I mean njoba asho uJobo ukuthi kuno ex ongasolveki. You guys are allowing your exes to be part of us. Mhlambe we are in a new relationship. If wena you don't discipline uzinhle for that matter. If I would always come to him mhlambe ngiyabona mhlambe checkers. Oh, Jobe, all right. Yeah. You see,
But,
mina I'm the type of a girl who's ngihamba nomuntu wami angithanda ugayohamba sineke nawo kami.
Yes, yes.
Jay, be my guy.
Yeah.
Uzothi mase sohamba wedwa be Job.
Yeah.
Yabo, do that.
We're not enemies. We don't hate each other. You know.
At your time.
That uvulake.
Igap.
That thing ukuthi mina
Angijwayelekanga.
Yabo mohamba na be my man.
I know I want
Hamba
that.
wedwa be Job.
So you're telling me if for example I'm in some shopping center,
Yes.
here comes my ex. Oh, Job, here.
Hi.
Hi. That's it.
Hi. Yes. I'm with my woman right now. Nomuntu wami. Anginazo isikhathi sokuthi hello.
But if she comes to grab
Uyaphi? Uyaphi?
grab a hug, she just
Ne haki. Ngihamba nomuntu wami. Mana wena would you take ihaki to your ex ehamba nomjida wakhe?
you won't take a hug, but it's such high five.
Yeah. That's a disrespect. Yes.
Respect a woman.
Yes.
Ukazizo.
That means
It's not like you're always together.
Yes.
Yabo, that little time mhlambe niphumile nise checkers. Give her ukuthi you know what my queen.
territory yakho.
I'm giving her my card, a shy cross, I don't care. That's more than enough.
No, by respect. Yes.
Imali yakho uyibeke lady. Respect me.
Mfethu kushuthi
Ushaya amantombazane high five thoughts.
hayibo mathi uhlangana ama ex akho awu 6.
For example, let's say
So you
Cha.
never know.
Cha ngempela uqinisile mina nje
Never know imjolo yakhe
because
Hayi, no.
our things ayisebenzanga angithi.
Yebo.
Senginomunye umuntu manje.
Yes.
Mina nje if kuya ngami angifuni ukuthi uzongibingelele.
But you're not, no, that's the thing. You're taking it, but you guys are not enemies. Okay.
Eh.
Yeah,
Never worked
my
out.
job.
Yes, we are not enemies.
No, okay, hear me out. Hear me out.
Yes.
Hear me out. She's a human being.
Yes.
A human being, right?
Yes.
It never worked out.
Yes.
Why should you have any? The fact that you have a grudge to that person.
Anginayo grudge.
Then why?
Setting up nje standards nje. You know hard feelings.
But check. Awukwazi uku-acta the when you with me or you with your friends.
Yes.
Ungahyper the way ufuna ngakhona with your friends.
Uwedwa yes umbingelele.
Or wherever ungahamba ushama high
Yes, hug, yes.
yonke into or even kisses I don't
Yeah.
but when I'm around
Yeah.
Kumele kuzwakale.
iminute
Yeah.
hawu kahle umuntu uyazi umuntu uyambona ukuthi mayikunika lo high ongafuni ukuthi don't say another thing mayithi ha let's hello
Yabo. Naye mase kubuza ukuthi no. No.
you setting standard for
Yes.
You guys are in agreement because
Be
you're
a
not enemies,
gentleman.
right?
We are not enemies but we are not friends.
And
thank you
Angiyena umngani wakho.
we're not enemies but
We were in a relationship yahluleka but we are not friends. Angiyena umngani wakho. So ukuthi mangihlangana nawe ngithi hey Jobe
nje mawumuntu you should be
ngingakwenza lokho mangihamba ngedwa.
if
Yes.
you were in the wrong, let's say you cheated on her and she broke up,
Despite
she broke
that
it up, she
Yes.
broke up with you, and now she says hi, son, and still, whoa,
still
Ngihamba ngedwa noma ngihamba nomuntu wami.
nomuntu wakho.
Hayibo hey mjani.
Awuna nebeza, what's wrong?
Unembeza wani?
sihlulene
I relationship yethu yahlula. Ayikho into esihlanganisayo.
Maybe I'm just a people pleaser, man. If my ass comes up, hey, job, man, give her.
That means usamthanda.
It's all good.
Uhamba nomuntu wakho omthandayo?
Umuntu wamhug, why?
Hayi ngeke. Yes, English nje leyo.
No, but yes, reality and that we don't hate each other. It's
I
like
don't hate you, but
Why-
I'm not your friend.
Why would the current girlfriend yakho, straight sakho, sazane ne-ex yakho?
I'm hiding or anything. Who ex yaqhamuka? Ex, hey,
Ne, angimele nje kuze kumasi. Angimele nje azamasi.
hey, Londeka, meet Usipho Sethi.
Ukuthi kube njani?
For what?
I've moved on, Bella. It's not that
Ukuthi kube njani?
Why?
much,
For
but
what good reason? For what good
For
purpose?
unless emokuthi ninengane ke nalowo muntu. Yes, umama kabani.
Then
Yes, that's understandable. But
you should change your life.
ne. You can't be lovey-dovey nje na wonke umuntu. Yeah, being lovey-dovey at the expense of your woman.
naturally I am
Respect. I was in another. I don't know whether it was a house party or whatever it was. Party, the host.
Yeah.
was straight fuck.
So
So
okay.
like, okay, we had fun. Umuntu wakhe wayengekho nje kwakuhleli apparently bekasekhaya and whatever. Yazi just after sesizohamba wathi ish ngicela si-tighten up umuntu wami ngeke athande ukubona kunje.
Yes.
Level of respect ukuthi even in
Engekho.
absence azi ukuthi yabona I like that. But we cannot change the fact that abafana abaneliseki. But the least you could give us
Respect.
the least.
Kwazi ukuthi
The
khona.
least.
The fact that I'm not hiding anything, she greeted me, I introduced it to her. She's
Lento
like,
nje
"Umuntu wami."
injustice
So manak. There you are at the mall.
Same one.
Yes, pavilion or gateway. Hlangana nama-ex akho awu-6. Will you introduce like mhlawumbe ekuseni mhlawumbe uthi nje namhlanje baby ngicela nje sihambe se-gateway so first siqale sidle sihambe soshaya shopping mhlawumbe sihambe sobuka ama-movie siphinde mhlawumbe sishaye lunch then bese siyahamba. Yes. Hawu uthi nisangena nje ekuseni naye ex yokuqala. Ngiyangena ngihlangana naye nje sanyuka ama-elevator naye ex la. That's a hack. Introduction. I'm asking.
If
Agasha ngisho.
if everything ended in good terms, we have.
Hey, that's your ex. That's
we
your.
have enemies.
Yeah, you are not enemies in your world.
Yes, we are civil.
Yes.
Civil part of Africa.
Baby, nangu unomxolisi, this is my ex. Chama haki.
Yeah.
Okay, ngihamba. Manifika laphana. Yes, manifika laphana mhlawumbe eMarket Beam.
Okay.
Here's another ex is on save.
Okay.
Then, baby, this my another ex.
Just makes sense.
Yeah?
You're not gonna introduce a whole more as
Why? Should I turn the ex or introduce I?
Yeah.
Why uswenze exception manje? Because he ex yakho nje it's an ex.
Don't do it. Alisisho ukuthi ungabingeleli but ngibingelele ngathi.
Ngesakhe isikhathi.
No. Why do you have so many exes in the first place? That's my question.
Ngakuzumtshela ukuthi une ex eyodwa wena.
About 3.
Okay, let's use the 3. Okay, let's use the 3. Let's use the 3.
Okay.
Here's the second one, San Save.
Say. It's our big expand. Sachola. Okay. Let's say.
Ungachazi, ngithatha amahaki.
High school, right?
Man, ungachazi.
The first one.
Hayi kulle.
The first one is the entrance of whatever shopping center.
Yes.
I told you.
Mana nkule.
From my.
Isa record.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Ngisho la kuwena. Oh, bro. Okay, yeah, Kobe. Okay, Kobe is fine.
Yeah, as I was saying.
Okay, that's great.
Your first ex.
Yes.
I've got 3 exes, right?
Yeah.
My first ex is from high school. Yeah. Grade 10, 11, 12. We met up with entrance here, shopping center. Babe, this was some Miss Banglan. Just umjolo.
Why uzongintroduce kumuntu omjolo nje?
Because we don't have here, the champion goes umuntu.
Hayi ngeke. You don't have to do that.
Oh, my, but okay, okay, so Pedro, let me finish my side of the story.
Yes.
Right, first ex, high school. Baby, from Haka. From high school. We're not even that serious. Okay, date number 2. Right, Club said Markenpin. You said Markenpin, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in varsity, right?
Yeah.
Hey, baby, here I was trying to be serious in life, but it never worked out. This is ex number 2. In varsity, my first year, food is crying. You know? Yeah, I was at university. The first year, people look potential.
Yeah.
Give them 2 years, I see the 2 class. So first year, I'm like, baby, this was first year. She looked right? Then ex number 3, because it's all with only 3 exes.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm working now, ne? I mean, someone working class. She earns higher than me.
Yeah.
Now she tends to be the main in the relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom, this is my ex number 3. So say her colleague 7, again, hold her higher than me. She thinks she's the boss. Then we broke up.
Okay. But why would you subject your woman to those explanation engaka? Like engabe nje you set nje territory ukuthi yes, even if exam sihlangana nami. Yes.
I'm not interested.
Even if exam sihlangana nami ngelinye ilanga. Ithi wena kubingelelo hamba nentombi yakho. Yes, ngihamba nentombi yami. So kumele ngihleke ngihamba nomuntu wami. Yes. So enye then manje sidlala game. This is the last section. It's going to take less than 5 minutes. Then this one is one must go. We call it one must go. Okay. So njengokuthi mhlawumbe between usanele noJobe who must go, then uyasho ukuthi hayi cha uJobe akahambe. Yes, yabo. Then bese uchaza izathu zakho. Njengamanje the first one uSjava versus uKhuzani. One must go. Khuzani must go. Why? You like
I've
Sjava?
never had time to listen to his music.
Oh, you don't like Maskandi?
I do love
Oh. Oh, okay.
Khuzani,
Okay.
never been the guy for me.
Okay, then umthandeni noduma kahle.
Ayabazi.
Duma kahle. You know duma kahle? Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Uyazothwala vela ngithi.
What's this?
Ngotsho.
Yes.
Number 1. uZuma versus uMandela.
I don't know anything about Mandela, so.
Zuma.
Okay, I know about them.
Yeah.
History, or even now history.
Nifundile but. So.
Okay, yes. Then between uZuma uZuma noma sengishilo. Then uDidi Mabuza and Ramaphosa. Mpumalanga.
I don't know where because I can't.
Then UKO no Casper in your vest. Yeah, uchebile. Dr. Rebecca Malope versus Dr. Deborah Fraser. Rebecca Malope, why not Dr. Deborah Fraser? Okay. Then Maskandi versus Gospel. You like Gospel? Because you're valuing Ganega Christ. Then hip hop versus Amapiano. Okay, EFF versus MK. Hey, MK file. Okay, then Uzagwe versus Duncan. Zagwe.
I know Duncan.
Duncan.
Wait, which one is?
Uzagwe ulomkhulu. Okay. Then uGatsheni no Big Zulu. Both, okay. Then let's go to the last. This is a shout out. So manje sicela usenzele something ukuthi sanibona bafethu sizoyidlala eceleni. Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguNomxolisi. I'm here at iPodcast kaSanele. Please like, share and subscribe. Then
Hi guys, I'm at Sanele's podcast, so please like and share. Subscribe. Yes, and also subscribe. Sorry.
thank you. Okay, and please share your contact details. Ukuthi not WhatsApp noma phela Facebook or Instagram or Twitter so that people who want to connect with you.
Facebook, Nomxolisi Shezi, and my contact detail is 076-1403-871. That's my WhatsApp and for call number.
Okay.
And that's only for business use.
Bengakwazi ukushare.
Thank you.
Business.
Thank you.
Bengakwazi ukushare.
Ningashare, guys.
Bengakwazi ukushare.
No.
Bafethu, this is
I'm off market.
okay.
Not
In a roadway.
Off market, but not off
But
market.
not off, but
Off, got not off.
So it's not auction.
action can be yellow bags.
Okay, bafethu, siyabonga ukulalela i-content yethu. If you come this far, kusho ukuthi uya-enjoy content yethu. So please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share. So follow us on Instagram at @SA_Mlambo. Till the next episode, sikhona. So besikhona, and a big shout out to Jobe. Bafethu, siyabonga kakhulu. Danke siyabonga.
Danko.